Welcome back to Ninjas in Nature, and today we're going to talk about making a stealth fire. If you find yourself in a survival situation and need to make a fire quickly, you can make a small survival fire, otherwise known as a stealth fire, because it produces little smoke. I've got Mr. Hand, my right-hand man, to help show us how to make a small stealth fire. The first thing you will need are small twigs, smaller in diameter than a pencil. These need to be dry and preferably not touching the ground, because the ground often is wet. You're also going to need to gather a small tinder bundle. This is looking good. You don't need much to make a stealth fire, just a small bundle of sticks and a small tinder bundle. For safety, you'll need to clear the ground all the way down to dirt. Remove anything that's flammable from the surface. We don't want to start a wildfire. Now it looks like he's assembling a small teepee fire around his tinder bundle using the small sticks. And he's lighting it with a match. The goal of the stealth fire is to try to burn as much of the little tiny twigs as you can. You can use a small tending stick to push the unburnt ends towards the center of the fire. Blowing on the fire occasionally will help to reignite the fire and to burn the ends of the sticks. As the fire burns down, grab the unburnt ends of the sticks and simply place them into the center of the fire. When you can no longer burn the small sticks, you're ready to safely extinguish the fire. It looks like Mr. Hanton has a cup of water to extinguish the coals. And he's stirring the coals with the stick until he's able to touch it safely with his hand. Nice job. When you're done, it's time to erase all traces of your fire. Cover the ground with soil and leaves and leave it as you found it.